Hello everyone and welcome to another video on how to. So for today we'll be speaking on how to create and manage your artworks inventory as a whole on Vascan. So if you go through the website, this page actually on your left panel you will see inventory, artworks and collection. So let's dive into it. So on click of the sidebar here, artworks, or on click of this button, you can either it takes you to the artwork management and creation page. So on this page, we have the management page where we manage the artwork that has been created. But in order to create an artwork, we can either do a batch uploads where we can do create more than one or multiple at the same time, or we can just do a singular artwork upload, which is what we are about to see now. So click on this button, it takes you to this page where we can create a singular artwork. So let's start by choosing an address or a location. So for my organization, I'm going to choose either my home office or my home or my office address. So let's go with the office address. So choosing that, and I can also create a new address. Say I have a new location and I want to add it to my list. I can create a new location there too. So the second thing on the list is giving it a title. So for an appropriate title, we can just say fresh painting. For some reason, that's what's coming to my head. So let's just go with that. So for now, so just give it an image. Let's just go with the first. Let's go with the first image on my desktop. For the year release, I'll go with 2010. 2010 for some reason has a good feeling for me, so I'll just go with that. For the pricing, let's just go with 40,000. And you can see this checklist here, a checkbox. Pardon me. It says show price on site. So what this means is saying that for some artworks they don't like to show the price of the artwork. It's when the buyer is interested, they'll be like, okay, please, how much is the price for this? So we have that option to show the price on the artworks, or we can not show the price. So tick to show the price, on tick to not show the price. So let's just tick on it to show the price. So description, so let's just say the painting is fresh. Let's type this properly. So the painting is fresh, and the description, you can describe it as however possible you want. So let's bold the next one now. Yes, it is fresh. You can underline, you can stroke, whatever you want to do with it. Play with the description as much as possible. So the next R will be given a category. So for category, I'll just go with let's just say photography. For style, I'll go with expressive. And for subject, should I go with people, or for flowers? Painting, let's just say flowers. They're fresh in the morning. So for status, on sale, sold, and archived, yeah, as the name suggests, on sale, that means it's still on sale. I'm looking for a buyer. Sold, it has been sold, but I still want to keep an inventory. I still want to keep it on my profile in my artworks collection. So let's just go with on sale for now, because I want to sell it. I want to make some money. So for width, I can go with 35.65, and you can see they already suggested dimensions that you can go with. But if you have your own dimension, of course, you can always input that. So for the units, I'll go with inches for the width and height. Then for the weight, let's just say 4, and for the unit, I'll just go with kg, which is synonymous for kilogram. For the listing information, so when I want it to show up on my website and all that, so I would go with, let's start with today's date, and then the end date, let's go with 27 of say this same month. Artist information. So as an organization or as an art house or as an art museum, we would always tend to have different artists or different creators or working on a particular artwork or whatnot. So we already have some on our platform which you can choose from. That's if the person already exists on our platform. So let's just go with Pablo da Picasso. Funny name, yeah. And for the next one, we can just, or rather, we can add a new artist if for some reason the artist doesn't it's not present on our website, so we can say she greatest or whatever the name might be. You can just choose create that person on the website. Estimated price, I will just go with 3,000, and estimated delivery price outside of the states, I'll go with 3,500. um Economy is shaky these days, so everybody wants to make some money. 3,500. Miscellaneous, I can choose to add more info as I want, title and the text, whatever it is you feel, but I don't have any, so I'll just go with, I think I'm done with all that, every filling of the form. Then I will then save artwork. So saving the artwork, I either add the artwork and then go to the management page and check on it, or I can save and add another on this same page. So let's just add artwork, go back to the management page so we can see some other aspects of artworks management. So I've clicked on the artwork button, the artwork is loading, it's creating for me. So now we can see product created. So it loads up, and then voila, we have our new artwork. It says fresh painting, Pablo di Picasso. It's on sales, photography, expressive, everything that we have as filled on that form. So on this page now, we can choose to manage our artwork. So I can search, I can show the deleted ones. That's the artwork that I had created and I deleted it for some reason. And also I can filter. So let's just start with the search. So for the search, I can decide that I want to search for a particular painting. So for the Mona Lisa, I doubt it as the main one, but let's just say Mona Lisa. So Mona. So immediately you start typing, it just picks up the strings as you are typing. So I didn't even need to type out all the names of that particular artwork, and I have gotten the artwork. I can also filter. So click on the filter and it shows me all of this. So I can filter by category, by style, by subject, and also by status. So let's just say with status on sale, for the subject, or for the style, let's just say abstract, right? Abstract. So let's search. So click on the search, it loads up and it shows me what I have, which is, so for this filter which is on sale and style which is abstract, I have fresh colors, on sale and abstract. So if I go ahead and take out the abstracts, so let's see what happens. It loads up again and it picks out all the artworks that are on sale, so which are these two items. So you can see, then the last thing, we just take out all the filters and everything is back to all the artworks you have presently. So that's about that. Then show deleted. If I deleted something before, if I toggle in, it shows me all the items I have deleted. I see no item here, meaning I have no deleted items. Then something else that we have is these three panels indicating that there's something there to give. So if I click on it, it shows me edit artwork or change status. So let's just work on the same one that we had earlier created. So let's come here, so edit artwork. So let's try and change the status, for instance. So it says on sale, say somebody has bought it, so from when I listed it on my website, so maybe a week now, or maybe the next day on Vascan, or some reason somebody had bought the website, like, oh, wow, this looks great, it looks amazing, I want this website. So you can go ahead and change the status to sold and save. Saving is then say artwork status successfully updated, and you can also edit that artwork, not just changing the status. You can also go into in depth and change the picture, the name, so first painting and and cool some reason. I can change the year. Maybe there was an error with the year 2012, the price, whatever it is. I can just make changes and what update it. So updating it to load up the updating field again. You see, it's updating. Now we have what change it to 2012. And all that stuff that we change. See, fresh painting and cool. So yeah, so in a nutshell, this is how to create a singular artwork and manage a singular artwork on Vascan. And the next one we'll go into is the batch upload. So clicking on the batch uploads takes you to another juicy parts of Vascan.io. But I'll catch you that in the next video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.